Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhijeet Bhagat. You can call me ilanos-aimer. This video is tutorial video of Blender. Today's topic is how to set up workspace inside Blender. Let's start. Let's assume that we are working on particular experiment or project, and we stand in front of table, which is definitely our workspace. There is so many tools on the table, but we will choose tools which we want, and we will remove the tools which we don't want. That's how Blender have workspace and workspace group too. There is a 5 main workspace group exists inside the Blender, but we can't create a new workspace. However, we can make modification one of them. So here in this section we are going to modify workspace, which is fifth number on the list, which is called video editing. So let's start. Open your laptop or PC, start legendary software Blender, which is version should be 2.9 or latest. You can see a splash screen in front of your eyes, but we will be using Blender 2.9 or greater than that. You can see splash screen in front of your screen, but we are going to use file, new, fifth number, video editing. Now you are in workspace of video editing. Video editing workspace group, which carry two workspace, video editing and video rendering. And leave those two options and look for a plus sign near workspace level. Click here. You can see 5 legendary workspace group in drop down menu, and you simply hover mouse over them. It will open sub menu which contain workspace. So simply you have to choose which workspace you prefer as per your requirement. Here for example, I choose the compositing. Then compositing and in general layout, motion tracking and masking can be in one workspace. How? If simply you have to click tab in motion tracking. It is the masking. Here is the motion tracking. You can adjust the workspace label as your requirement. Just click label right. Just click label. Right click and reorder front for keep it front side. For example, rendering, reorder front, or if you want to reorder on last, then reorder to back. It's come in last. After setuping a suitable workspace for your requirement, if you want just to jump first workspace to next, then just use control page up and page down. Button. After reaching your preferred goal, go to file, default, and save startup file. Make startup file. There is a mention that which workspace you are going to overwrite. There is a mention that which workspace are you going to overwrite. Here my workspace is video editing, and I am saving save startup file. It's done. Discussion. As per our purpose of this project, result discussion not that shocking. whatever happened after doing activity, that generated result is mentioned below. We can modify the workspace group as we wanted in Blender 3D software version 2.9 and latest. After uninstall a Blender, we have to modify the workspace group as per preference. But if you want to save your workspace group, then you have to install Blender Cloud add-on, which give free scenes but only after payable cloud subscription. If you want some changes your workspace group, then you don't need to uninstall Blender software. Just follow procedure. It's enough to make any minor changes. Conclusion: we have learned what is workspace group in Blender and how to modify it. We learn how to add and remove workspace. We learn how to change position workspace in created group. Anyone who watching this video, just only message. Thank you for watching this video.